I think people would be very surprised how often they eat Hausbeck pickles. When you think about we turn 40 million pounds of cucumbers into pickles. Let's say you get maybe 10 slices of pickles out of one cucumber, and you maybe put 6 slices of pickles on a 12-inch sub. I did some simple math and I came up with 1.2 billion sandwiches served each year just from Hausbeck Pickle Company. Hausbeck Pickle Company was started in 1923 by my grandfather Charles. He died at a very young age and left his wife and kids to take over the business. My brother Joe and I joined the company. Joe and I are now the 3rd generation of Hausbeck Pickle Company. We were primarily a retail-based business, and then in 1980 we started venturing into fast food. So we started transitioning away from retail and focusing on food service. Our largest customers are Subway, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, KFC, Burger King, Sonic, Papa John's, Domino's, just to name a few. Being a small company, growing to a mid-sized company, you don't realize what you don't have until you actually have it. Before we had an ERP system, we thought things were going well from a profitability standpoint. Our business was going through a transition. We were actually not as profitable as we thought we were, and we were actually bleeding money. Having an ERP system like Plex helps show those things and highlight those things much faster so that you can make a decision as a CEO of where to make changes. Having that real-time information instead of getting information months later that you've had these losses or large shrinkage or large scrap, it's too late. You can't go back and fix it. Plex gives you information for you to react to much faster and help predict outcomes. Plex has allowed our company to grow because of the data that we have. The information that's at our fingertips is making us much more reliable and sought after by customers. Customers are looking for suppliers that can give them a quality product. But anybody can say they have a quality product. Plex allows us to give them proof that we do have a quality and consistent product. The keys to a successful business, as in probably any business, is don't let your customers run out of product. Secondly, deliver them safe, quality products. Third thing, make sure that you have fast and reliable information. Plex allows us to show them and give them proof that we do have a quality and consistent product.